Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reopen a closed Amazon account. If your account has been closed for any reason and you need to get it back up and running, this process will guide you through reaching Amazon's support team to resolve the issue. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. This will bring you to Amazon's homepage where you can access all the account recovery options. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Now hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your account. From this menu, go ahead and select Sign In. This takes you to the login page, but since your account is closed, we'll need to access the help options instead. On the Sign In page, look for the option that says Need Help and click on it. This section is specifically designed to assist users who are having trouble accessing their accounts or need support with account-related issues. Clicking this will open up additional support options tailored to your situation. In the upper left panel of the Help section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and from the available options, select I do not have an Amazon account but need assistance. Even though you technically did have an account, this option will route you to the right support channel for account recovery and reopening requests. After selecting this option, you'll see contact information provided. Call the attached number that appears on your screen. When you get through to an Amazon representative, clearly explain your situation. Let them know that your account was closed and you'd like to request that it be reopened. Be prepared to verify your identity and provide any relevant details about your account, such as the email address associated with it, previous order information, or any other identifying details that can help them locate your account in their system. The representative will guide you through the specific steps needed for your situation, which may vary depending on why your account was closed in the first place. They'll assess your case and let you know what's possible moving forward. And that's how you initiate the process to reopen your closed Amazon account, by contacting their support team directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.